When I was just a lad, things weren't quite so bad as the life I had to suffer now that I'm a man. With my sannies on my feet, well, the tram cars in the street, they didn't knock you down when you all played a kick the can. And there was sweets on ration, and the height of passion was to kiss we Betty Mackey or we eyes a broom, for the knickers were dark blue, a very common hue. When I was just a laddie there in Edinburgh Toon, and it never seemed to rain. The summers in the main seemed much warmer than the summers that we hate today. And there was me Adam Bonds and the Portobello prawns, to the trippers down by Glasgow just to spend the day. With their pitch and tossin' and their candy flossin', they'd be back to the cherry that they'd left at noon. And before they'd had a few, they'd be out to see the zoo, and they'd leave with high impressions of what Edinburgh Toon.